Hello friends, in chapter 3 pair of linear equation into variable we will see exercise 3.4 question 2. So 3.4 question 2 first question is that if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. So let numerator equals to x and denominator equals to y, and so fraction equals to x by y. Now it is said that 1 added to the numerator, so x plus 1, and 1 subtracted from the denominator, so y minus 1 is equals to 1. So we take another side, then x plus 1 equals to y minus 1, and so x minus y equals to minus 2. That is the first equation. Now for the second equation it is said that it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. So numerator as it is and denominator added by 1, and it is the 1 by 2. So we take the cross multiply, then we have the equation 2x is equals to y plus 1, and so 2x minus y equals to 1. That is the second equation. Now so x minus y equals to minus 2 and 2x minus y equals to 1. Two equations are there. Both has the y variable has the coefficient equal and minus sign. So both the equation we subtract, then we write here equation 1 subtract from equation 2. Then we will get 2x minus y equals to 1. And x minus y equals to minus 2. We change the sign, then minus plus minus we will convert into plus, and so here 2x minus x will be x, y cancel, and 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So x equals to 3 we submit in x minus y equals to minus 2. Then 3 minus y equals to minus 2, and so y equals to 5, and so fraction equals to 3 by 5. Now we have the second question. 5 years ago Nuri was twice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. How old are Nuri and Sonu? So we don't know what is the age of Nuri and Sonu. So let the age of Nuri equals to x years and age of Sonu equals to y years. Now here relation before the 5 years given, so we can write 5 years ago. So age of Nuri will be 5 minus x minus 5, and age of Sonu also will be 5 years minus, so y minus 5 in the years. And their relation is given Nuri was twice as old as Sonu. So Nuri says x minus 5 is 3 times of y minus 5. So x minus 5 equals to 3y minus 15. So 3y we take another side, x minus 3y minus 15 plus 5. So x minus 3y equals to minus 10. That is the first equation. Now here 10 years later So age of Nuri will be 10 year more, and so x plus 10 years, and age of Sonu also will be 10 years more, so y plus 10. On that time the relation given, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu, so x plus 10 is equals to 2 times of y plus 10. So x plus 10 equals to 2y plus 20. So x minus 2y equals to 10. That is the second equation. Now here x coefficients have the equal sign, plus plus and equal coefficient. So directly from equation 1 we subtract the equation 2. So we can write from equation 1 subtract equation 2. Then x minus 3y equals to minus 10. X minus 2y equals to 10. So when we subtract, sign will change to minus, plus and here minus. So x cancel, here minus 3 plus 2 minus y equals to minus 20. So y equals to 20. So age of Sonu will be 20 years, and now y equals to 20. We submit in x minus 3y equals to minus 10. Then we get here x minus 3 into 20 equals to minus 10. So x equals to minus 10 plus 60, which will be 50. And so age of Nuri equals to 50 years, and age of Sonu equals to 20 years. Now the third question we have, the sum of the digits of two digit number is 9, and also 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by the reversing digit, and find the number. So we know that in the two digit number the digits are, so that tens digit equals to x and unit digit equals to y. So your first line is here, sum of this digit is 9, so x plus y equals to 9. That is the first equation. Now here the number and reverse number we want, so we know that expanded in the form of number will be 10 into tens digit, means 10 into x plus unit digit, and so expanded form of reverse digit reverse number. Then we know that when we reverse the number, means unit digit will become tens and tens digit will become unit, and so it will be 10y plus x. And so between the relation is given, 9 times the number, means 9 into 10x plus y is twice the reverse number 10y plus x, and so 90x plus 9y equals to 20y plus 2x. So both the we take this side, so 90 minus 2 88x, and 20 minus 9 11y equals to 0. So divisible by 11, so we divide by 11, then 8x minus y equals to 0. That is our second equation. Now here y has the equal coefficient in opposite side, so by adding equation 1 and 2, we will get x plus y equals to 9 and 8x minus y equals to 0. So 9x y will cancel equals to 9. So x equals to 1 we have. Now x equals to 1. Submit in x plus y equals to 9. So 1 plus y equals to 9. So y equals to 8. And so the number equals to, we know that unit digit tens digit and unit digit we write. So unit digit is y and tens digit is x. So 1 8 18. 18 is the number. So first question we have Meena went to bank, withdraw rupees 2000. She asked to cashier to give rupees 50, 100 notes only, and she got the 25 notes. Find how many notes of rupees 150 and 100 will she receive. So let Meena received number of rupees 50 notes equals to x and number of rupees 100 notes equals to y. So altogether she gets the 25 notes, and so x plus y equals to 25. That is the first equation. And for the second equation, it is said that she said withdraw 2000 rupees, and so the amount 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes, total amount will be 2000. So 50 rupees amount will be 50x, 100 rupees note amount will be 100y, and the total amount is 2000. That is our second equation. Now here in the second equation, all the three numbers are divisible by 50. Then we divide by 50, then x plus 2y equals to 40. That is our second equation. Now here we can see that x have the equal coefficient and equal sign. So from equation 2, we subtract equation 1, then x plus 2y equals to 40 and x plus y equals to 25. Then we subtract them, then x will be minus 0, 2y minus y, and 40 minus 25, 15. So y equals to 15. So y equals to 15. Submit in x plus y equals to 25. Then here x plus 15 equals to 25. So x is equals to 10, and so number of rupees 50 notes. And number of rupees 100 notes equals to 50. Now we have a lending question 5. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days and an additional charge for each day thereafter. So for 3 days there is a fixed charge, there is no extra charge, and after 3 days more we want to extend, then we need to pay the charge. So let me take fixed charge for 3 days equals to rupees x and additional charge for extra day equals to rupees y. Now here Sarita paid 27 rupees for a book kept for 7 days. So from 7, 3 days will be minus because 3 days it is fixed charge already paid X, and so remaining 4 days extra charge will be paid by according by rupees amount. So for Y equals to 27. Similarly here Sushi paid rupees 24, so 21 for the 5 days. So X rupees for the 3 days and 5 minus 3 we do. Then for extra 2 days he kept, so 2y equals to 21. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So your x coefficients are equal. So again we can here solve. So by subtracting equation 2 from equation 1, we get here x plus 4y equals to 27, x plus 2y equals to 21, minus minus minus. So here x cancel, 4 minus 2y, 2y equals to 6, and so y equals to 3. So y equals to 3, we select any of the equation and submit, and so y equals to 3 submitting x plus 4y equals to 27. So x plus 4 into 3 equals to 27. So x equals to 27 minus 12. So x is equals to 15. And so the fixed charge equals to rupees 15 and additional charge equals to rupees 3.